we still have tech week to fix everything, so.
Yeah, no, not many people know that much anyway.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did y'all want to go out and eat?
I mean, yeah, I could eat, yeah.
Leo was talking about going to In-N-Out. We can meet up with him.
Man, I think I wanted to go to Cane's. That's where Amory and EJ go all the time.
But they're right next to each other.
I mean, you know, but we can always, fine, we'll just go in the middle.
Well, if you want, after we drop you off, you can just walk with us.
No.
What do you mean, no?
I mean, no. You want to hear it in Spanish? No.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I mean, if you want, we can all meet at like Share Tea or something, you know?
I'm okay with that.
It's right in the middle.
I don't want a sweet treat.
I mean, I suggested Share Tea.
Throw my bag in the back?
Yeah.
Who's paying?
Yeah, guys, sure. I'll pay for you guys.
Aw, thanks, Theo.
Thank you guys all for coming to my party. It's so fun for our last year here. Big cheers on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Of course we need more.
Let's go get more.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come with me. Come with me. Let's go.
Come on.
Wait, where are you guys going? Bro, we're getting more alcohol. They're empty.
You guys can't drive. You guys are
Bro,
drunk.
I'm fine.
No,
Fine.
you guys can't go.
I'm really good. I do this all the time, bro. It's fine. I promise. We're
No, I promise you guys can't drive. You guys
then
can't
just come
go.
with us. If you're that scared, come with us. You keep us safe then. It's fine. Like
Okay.
I promise it's fine.
Okay, I'll come.
Just come.
Okay.
Just come. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. We're good. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, we're good. Let's go. Come on, we're fine. Oh, Isaac, bro, lock it in. Come on. Are you sure? Okay. Isaac, bro, are you sure you're good? All right. All right, guys, let's go.
Hey, are you guys good?
Yeah, we're fine, bro. We're fine. Come on, we're good. Let's go. Let's go.
Or there's a party at Caitlin's house. We should go.
Who's gonna be there?
I don't know, but I mean, does that really matter?
So,
What are we gonna get?
I don't know, bro. Should we get more vodka? Or, like, what should we be getting? Like, I don't really know. Everything? All right.
I mean, I don't know. I don't want to be a downer, but we kind of got a tech rehearsal tomorrow. I'm already going out to you. You're going to be out to get me.
I mean, I guess.
Bro. Oh, yes, bro. We should get one of those. We need to get one of those. You're
Well,
right.
what do you think everybody else would want?
Should we get, like, a buzz ball or something? Or, like...
Yeah. That's fine.
This was literally so lit. Like, bro, come on. We're completely fine. Like, see, hands off, everything. Like, I'm good.
Okay, wait, Caitlin, you're kind of swerving.
I'm fine. I'm literally fine. Yes, I'm literally fine.
Okay, well, watch out. There's a car.
Wait, guys!
emergency?
I need to report a car accident. I'm at Beaumont High School on Brookside Avenue. I don't know who they are. I don't know who's in the vehicles. I just see two cars. It looks really bad. Please send someone.
Guys, Isaac, Creamy, guys, are you okay?
Dylan,
guys,
what'd you do?
I don't know.
I can't
Joya,
feel my
Joya,
I
oh
can't
my God,
move.
Joya, I don't know what to do. What happened? Oh God, Joya, oh my God. Oh God, Joya, 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 are you okay? Joya, oh God, oh my God. Where is she? Joya, I don't know what happened. Where's she? Where is she? Joya!
God, Crystal! Oh my God! Help! Someone please help!
Joya! I need to go help her.
I can't move. I can't feel my
What
body.
happened? I don't know what happened. Please wake up,
Help! Somebody please!
Anyone able to walk in here? No, I can't move my legs!
I don't know why you drove. I'm sorry. I'm okay.
Hey, hold real still, okay?
A little bit. I didn't think it was that much. I didn't think that it would. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. She shouldn't have been driving. I don't know what we were thinking.
Were you guys drinking?
We were at a party. I'm so sorry.
Alright, so she was in a MBC, she has an obvious head injury, and she's really responsible for that.
Man, can you wake up? Man, what's your name? Start CPR.
RT is for innovation.
Of your ID. I'm gonna start.
Alright, Epi's in.
Alright. We'll see and then call it.
Okay.
Alright, it's been 2 more minutes. Let's do one last pulse check. Stop CPR.
I don't feel a pulse. No pulse. Any recommendations for anyone else? We've been going at this for a while. No signs of life, been asystole the whole time. No?
She's been down for a while.
Alright, let's call it. Time of death, 9:46. Everyone, let's take a moment of silence. So your daughter was involved in a motor vehicle crash. She's brought in by EMS, and once we moved her over to our gurney, we lost pulses. Despite all of our efforts, we weren't able to get her back. No. There's no activity of her heart anymore.
What kind of accident? What do you mean? Where was the accident? What happened? Am I able to see her? Can I go see her?
Yeah, you and your husband are allowed to go back and go with you.